everybody, welcome. Sorry about that. Hey everybody, welcome. I'm already recording. Okay, hey everybody, welcome back. Today,
I got beat up my teacher at school so hard.
Today I'm going to be playing Roblox, and my friends will probably play. Well, probably not, but first off, I'm gonna show you guys my friend's Roblox game. It's so pretty. It's pretty.
It's ugly.
No, it's not. Didn't even play it. So first, like, oh my God, there's already people playing the game. Who is that? So yes, this is one person. Oh my God, guys, look at my shit. Sorry if anything like really weird happens. Like, I'll be right back. Oh my God!
Why are you gonna leave your YouTube video like that? You guys, Delilah is a horrible YouTuber. She just
So I just had to close my door.
I know why people spawn here now. There's like little spawns here. They can't do that.
So yeah. Oh my God! What the? Okay. So yeah, this is literally. Oh, that's my friend Michelle. That's Michelle, Angela, from our school. Right there. Puffy unicorn.
Don't tell her it's me. Don't tell her. Do not tell her it's me. I swear, don't tell her if it's me. Don't tell.
Why?
She's so mean.
And drama, guys. I'm very sorry about that.
She's so ugly.
What? Okay. Jada is very rude. So we're gonna play Climb Time. We're gonna just talk with my friends. So yeah. My friends are cringy. We're all cringy, bro. We've been calling all what's it called? Oh yeah, and okay. So first, Angela is the girl right there, the girl with the brown long hair that is actually showing her face right now, and Jada right there that has the Wi-Fi sign on her face, and then it says Jada, and then it has like the money sign. That's Jada, and they're my what's it called? They're my I forgot. They're my quarantine buddies. I call them a lot every day, so that's why.
She's very ugly.
I am. Jada's uglier. You like to mess around, so don't report any of this.
Blue roach. I don't like you, blue roach.
I'm recording. Okay. They're gonna do something about this video. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that. Oh God. So, I'm sorry about that, guys.